Well friends, here is problem number 23 and the given direction is find the correct mirror image for the following problem figures choosing from the alternative. So this is the given direction. Now coming to the problem, here they have given a figure and we have to find the mirror image of this figure and four alternatives are given like this. So the first point that you have to take consideration is this is a figure. This is a figure. I am taking it as example and I am dividing this figure into two parts and I will call this part as beginning part or first part and this part as ending part, or I will call it as second part. Okay, so this is my first part and this is my second part. I am also calling it as beginning and this as ending part. So if you find the mirror image of this figure, this will appear like this. This will appear like this. Okay, now this is the beginning part or the first part and this is the ending part or the second part. So this has to be observed carefully. Whenever you find the mirror image of any particular figure, the ending part will become the first or the beginning part and the beginning part of that image will become the ending or the second part of that image. Now taking this point, you can find the mirror image of this given figure. So in this given figure, I am having a curve like this and one star which is touching to the side of a square and a pentagon is also present which is not touching to that side. Okay, these are my observations. Now using this, I can eliminate the given options and finally come to the correct option. So in the first option, you can see that the curve is starting at the beginning of the part. The curve should be at the end of part because in the given figure, the curve is at the beginning. As I said, whatever the shape of the figure which is present at the beginning, that should be the ending. That should be at the ending in the mirror image. The first option is yes, it is wrong. Now moving to second option. In the second option, it is clearly seen that this curve is present at the ending and the star is touching to that side and pentagon is not touching to that side. So this may be my correct option. Now I will move to third option. In the third option, if you see, the curve is present at the end of the part or end of the given figure, but you can see that the star is not touching to that side, but it has to touch as given in the main figure. The star is not touching to that side, that's why I will eliminate this option. The third option is eliminated. Now moving to last option. If you see in the last option, the curve is at the ending or at the second part and the star is touching to that side and pentagon, if you see carefully, the pentagon is touching to that side. But in the given figure, the pentagon is far away. It is far away from that side. So the fourth option is also a wrong option. So how many options we eliminated now? We eliminated 1, 2, 3. So there are 4 options. We eliminated 3 options. So we left with only one option, which is the second option. That has to be the right option. So for this example, option 2 is the right option. Okay friends, now I will move to next question.